Welcome once again, and let's talk about Shibadoge coin. Now remember, Shibadoge started this year really increasing in price. We are happy to see the market cap finally trading at over $30 million for the first time. Now remember, Shibadoge got listed by Bitmart exchange, which is amazing. And right now we have different exchanges that have listed Shibadoge. Now Bitmart exchange have really brought a lot for Shibadoge. Now we take a look at the daily volume. It's called Bitmart, and now the third exchanges that really control Shibadoge. They control about 15% of Shibadoge daily volumes. Now we talk about BigX control almost 65%, and then you talk about IndoEX that also control almost 20%, with Bitmart controlling about 15%. Now Bitmart exchange have really showed that yes, any exchange that lists a particular coin, it will always be a bonus, because we believe Bitmart is not that top crypto exchanges, but coming into this Shibadoge have really helped Shibadoge. You can see money have been pumping into Shibadoge. For the first time, Shibadoge is reaching over $34 million market cap, and all the way from 5 or 6 million, Shibadoge was able to rise and hit about $34 million market cap. Now with Bitmart exchange, I believe more Bitmart community will be buying Shibadoge. That is why we want to see other exchanges listening Shibadoge. Of course, I believe that other small exchanges, because when you talk about Binance or Coinbase for now, I don't think they might be listing Shibadoge, although they have Shibadoge on their watch list. But for Shibadoge to get listed by Binance or Coinbase, they need to get listed by at least most crypto exchanges, small crypto exchanges. We talk about Kucoin, we talk about Get.io, we talk about even Crypto.com, L-Bank, and other small exchanges. Binance are the biggest exchange in the world. Some people believe that Coinbase are the second after Binance, but I believe that, of course, I was surprised to see Bitmart controlling almost 15% of Shibadoge daily volume. They just got this coin listed, and already their community are already buying Shibadoge coin. So I believe Shibadoge still need to focus on so many crypto exchanges. We have so many crypto exchanges, so they need to focus on many of them. They go this year, the major achievement they need to achieve this year is to get Shibadoge listed by over 10 crypto exchanges, okay, and also getting Shibadoge burning. Shibadoge needs to start burning. They have a lot of coins, and if they can burn, the shortest way I believe the developers can really achieve much is by burning half of Shibadoge remaining supply. Remember what I quote, remaining supply. So from there, I believe Shibadoge burning will also increase, and it also can get more listed, more exchanges listing Shibadoge coin. This coin is set to become the new Shiba Inu, and don't be surprised to see Shibadoge deleting about 40 or 50 soon. Anything can happen. But remember, you want to buy Shibadoge, buy what you can afford to lose, invest what you can afford to lose. This is crypto industry, okay? And one important thing to understand is that Shibadoge have come to stay. The developers are working hard, and I believe before the end of this year, Shibadoge is going to be on the positive side. Shibadoge is going to be on the bullish side, and I hope for that to come to pass. And remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.